going to talk about Israel Bias, which is the legal tree. So this term Messiah is officially designated as the race and administrative union in the Philippines following the expulsion of the Messiah. It covers cities for Luzon, Iran, Samar, Leyte, Northern Samar, Samar, so as 100 organized regional is the city of Tacloban. Under mo anong 6 province travel attention sila over na 7 province. Kaya itong si Tacloban na meron nag-ausa siya sa Samar. Doon sa kay tungkol pag-nagtawa na siya. Next now. And then, so, kanang short, Tacloban may parts ng Leyte province. And then, si Leyte province is, dinitig sa, ibuot na lugar niya. Isa na siya nga, one province. Dito nga siya, and United States. Next, its population as of July 2024, this past year, was 4.62 million. This represented 22.09% of the overall population of Visayas Island group, or 4.70% of the entire population of the Philippines based on race, where the population is computed at 196 inhabitants per square kilometers or 570 inhabitants per square mile. So Leyte is a province. So first province na under ni Eastern Visayas is Leyte. Leyte is a province in the Philippines situated in the Eastern Visayas region of the Saling Basin, central of the Visayas. The province has a land area of 6,335.44 square kilometers or 2,106.49 square miles. Its population is determined by the was 1,776,847. This represented 38.08% of the total population of Eastern Visayas region. Then, let's proceed to Leyte Go. Leyte Go is among the reason why we highlight na si Leyte Go is that namin na sila rin na discussion fishing grounds na Eastern Visayas, pero highlight na ang Leyte Go na siya Leyte Go is a legendary fishing ground. Leyte Go is among the main fishing grounds in the Philippines, with a long area of 13,100 kilometers square covered in the island of Samar and Leyte. For this reason, it was chosen as the study area of the Eastern Visayas under the National Status System Program. So it is the study area daw sa INSAP, so which aims to assess the status of fisheries resources of the ang source niya is because it's called 2008. So as I said earlier, the Leyte Go is historically significant for being the site of the largest naval battle in history during World War II, marking a pivotal momentum in the Pacific Theater. So, sa Leyte Go, dahil may tabo sa una, dito dahil tabo sa una ang largest naval battle. Tungod kay ang Leyte Go, sumpay na siya sa Philippines sa Pacific Ocean. So, from Pacific Ocean, nasa Iranan, padong sa Leyte Go. And then, the reason why, nanong yun may Eastern Visayas, and its capital is the municipality of Camarma. And then it has a land area of 3,694.96 square kilometers and 1,468 square miles. And then Samar. Samar is a planet. Okay, it is also situated in Western Visayas, and its capital city is Cavite. And then it has a land area of 6,048.03 square kilometers, or approximately 335.66 square miles. And the last one is the Tacloban, which is the capital city of the Western Visayas Provincial 8. So, Tacloban is a coastal, highly organized city in Western Visayas, although administratively independent due to its extension of highly organized city. Tacloban is located in the province of Leyte. So, the highly organized city also serves as the provincial capital as well as the regional center of Eastern Visayas. So, aside sa siyang regional capital, sila siguro i-consider siya or siya ang tinong provincial capital kasi na siya sa center siguro na sa pagbubuo central Western Visayas. So, Tacloban has a land area of 200.172 square kilometers, approximately 77.8 square miles. So, fishing grounds. So, we have 4 fishing grounds, not major fishing grounds in Western Visayas. So, the first one is San Juanito Strait. It is a narrow stretch of waters separating the island completely of Samar. So, that means San Juanito Strait is illegal yan because of what kami na dagat on sa Juanito Strait and only as a Juanito Bridge on and completely to Samar. So, nasa sa pumakain ng Samar. So, it serves as an important natural channel for marine navigation and fishing activities. So, ano po yung mga campos or mga barko. Nasa mo sila ka doon, pwede na sila. Next is among the fishing grounds, it is the large boat situated west of the island of Leyte, bordered by Samar Island to the north of the Philippines. Bacawayo sila, Philippine Sea or the Pacific Ocean. It connects to the open Pacific Ocean, making it a great area for both coastal and touristic activity. The Gulf covers a broad area including rich coral reefs, mangrove, and then the next is Philippine Sea or the Pacific Ocean. It lies at Eastern Visayas along the coast of Samar and Eastern Samar. It has lake waters which develop like Philippine and Ilocos. The sea is a beautiful route from the Merchant Sea to the east in the lake. It requires migratory and development which is important to the local economy. Next is the last one is the Samar Sea. It is located between the island of Samar. 7% drop in municipal meters emission. So, i-drop di ay ang kailangan pouch tunod kay ang municipal meters ang i-drop ni ang municipal labor. Next, with significant declines in Villaran, Leyte, and Western Samar. However, production increased in Samar, Northern Samar, and Southern Leyte, with Southern Leyte. With Southern Leyte seeing the highest municipal increase from 29.4%. In contrast, commercial increase grew by 2.2%, accounting for 24% of the total production. So, kung ang municipal increase production from the last year, second quarter until now, second quarter 2025, kung ang decline ng municipal, in contrast is commercial increase commercial. Despite its gains, Western Visayas ranks 7th among regions with the lowest increase production during this period. And then, major fishing methods. So, number 1 is gill nets, open line, fish corrals or backland, fish traps or pots, for fishing, and other then scuba or converted by green, cast nets, and bushes. Coupled versus eggs. We have 5. So, the first one is fish pens. Next is fish ponds. Next is fish farming, shellfish, culture, and integrated system, integrated urban polyculture. So these are the threats and challenges of overfishing. Second, masakyan na ito. Next is destructive fishing practices like dynamite, like cyanide fishing. Next is habitat degradation. Habitat degradation, luto ka ng pangutsa ng mangroves, magbuwag ang mga corals, kapag sa mga destructive food na gamit ng fishing method, like for example, dynamite or ng tumbol. O manang, in terms of commercial fishing, like programming na doon siya ka na. Doon siya sa municipal doon siya, pero commercial, na sa ulo doon siya niya, kailangan ng tulo, mga corals, United Nations, mga buwang ng corals. Next is pollution. Rental from agriculture and other waste, disposal and vertical reproduce agriculture, especially the summer season. Tuyukan sila o mga lugar. Tuyukan sila sa mga provinces sa Visayas. Ilan yung mga sa provinces sa Visayas. Next is unsustainable aquaculture practices. And then the last one is legal and reported and regulated. Economic importance. So, the economic importance of Eastern Visayas development to support the livelihood of employees, and support security, trade and commerce, and aquaculture development and regional development.
Thank you.